Welcome, welcome. Welcome to Ladrine's Family Creations. I'm your girl, Ladrine. So today, guys, we're going to do some sublimation and vinyl on this pillow. Yes, sublimation and vinyl. So, the sublimation prints that we're going to do today is da-da-da, Mickey and Minnie. Yes, yes, yes. And then the vinyl is going to say love, 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 love. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my lint roller together. Don't forget your lint roller. You know you're going to need this. Yes, 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 yes. So tell me about yourself. Subscribe at the bottom so that way I can keep in contact with you. So now I have my lint roller and I'm going to go ahead and lint roll it, lint roll it, lint roll it. All right. Next, I am going to go ahead and tape them down one at a time. I'm going to do one at a time because what I'm going to use is my smaller heat press machine instead of the big one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tape this down now. Put a piece of tape up here. Let's hope this turns out good. I'm kind of nervous about this because I never did a pillow before. So you guys are going to do this pillow with me. And we're going to see how this is going to turn out. One side is going to be sublimation. So we're going to see how this bad boy turns out. And you guys are going to find out with me. Alright. Got my sides taped down now. Going to go ahead and add me some copy paper. I use copy paper because the butcher paper is hard to come by nowadays. If you guys know where to get some butcher paper at, far as the white kind, other than Amazon maybe, go ahead and let me know below. That way I can try to find some more instead of just keep on using copy paper. Alright, next step is we're going to go ahead and get the big one. And we're going to lay it on there just like this. And hit the start button. Boom. And here we go. Let's see. Let's hope this turns out good. I have it on 400 degrees for 30 seconds. So we're going to see how this turns out. And now we're going to go ahead and hope this turns out good. I don't know. I'm finding out just like you guys. And we are going to lift it. Now let's hope for the best. Here we go. Let's see, let's see. I don't know. It looks like it took good. Guys, it took good. Look. Look, 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 look. So far, so good. All right. Now we're going to do the other side. Like I said before, we're going to tape her down. This is turning out better than I expected. Gonna tape her down, tape her down. Let's see what happened next. All right, now I gotta find my scissors. All right. That's pretty cool. I didn't think it was gonna be that good, to be honest. All right. I'm gonna put her right there. See how this turns out. Actually, we're gonna move her up just a little bit. Because Mickey, I should have put Mickey up a little bit more, but we're going to put her back a little bit, over a little bit. We're going to say about right there. her feet is what's... Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I was trying to position it right, but I couldn't find a good place for her. So I'm gonna move her back just a little bit. And then her feet. Guess we can let her feet come down just a little bit. They'll probably interact with his foot. Alright, so now we're gonna add the copy paper again. I don't know how this one's going to turn out because it's a little lopsided. Because we did one side already. But we're going to be safe and put a little bit of copy paper over there. Alright, now here we go. I'm going to do the other side. Here we go. And we'll hit the start button. And there we go. Let's hope for the best with this side as well. I'm glad you guys are here with me. So as you can see, I only have 4 subscribers, but can you be on my team and go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Yes, hit the subscribe button and you can join the team. That way you can stay updated and see what else I do. All right, here we go. Let's see. And up we go, I don't know if this one did too good. Only reason I say I don't think this one did too good is because of the way this one is slanted. But we shall see. You guys, it's even more beautiful. Look. Alright, so as you guys can see, we did the sublimation part. See? Turned out pretty good after all. I didn't think it was going to be that good, so I'm very proud of myself for trying it. Alright, so now we're going to do the back side. And the back side, don't forget your lint roller. Got to use your lint roller. Now we flip the pillow over. Don't forget to use our lint roller. And now we're going to go ahead and weed. Well, first we're going to cut this because this is excess we don't need. So we're going to go ahead and cut this. Alright, so let's see. We could put it over here, but it wouldn't fit anywhere. So that's why I said we're going to go ahead and flip it over and put the love on the back. And then that way we should be okay. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and weed it out. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know exactly what city and state you're watching this from, if you don't mind. If not, I understand. But I am going to finish weeding this, and then we're going to put this on next. This is so cool and interesting to me. Like, I am enjoying this right now because I didn't think I was able to sublimate on this. So, like, I'm freaking excited, dude. Can't wait to see how this turned out on it. So, I hope this turns out good. All right. So, now I've completed it and weeded it. Now, we're going to go ahead, place it on there. Get our Teflon. Now, see, I use a Teflon for this. All right, here we go. Let's get it on there. And down and start. There we go. Let's Let's see how this one works. Let's hope it all goes good. Da-da-dum. And we are done. Ooh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so we're going to let it cool. As you can see, it's on there. We're going to go ahead and let that cool. All right, so I peeled it off. And you guys, that looks beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So, thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for joining me with this beautiful creation I did. I did sublimation on one side. It actually turned out beautiful, better than what I expected because I didn't think it was going to actually turn out right, and I did think it was going to burn. Then the second side, we did the vinyl, and the vinyl actually turned out good. No burn marks, none of that. So it actually turned out good. I like this pillow, so I'm actually going to give it to one of my kids. Thank you for joining again. This is Ladrine.